Don't write the code. ChatGPT run a code. In this video, I will try to make a game from scratch. So I will not get any information from other sources. Hello guys, ChatGPT 5 is just released and it is amazing that everyone is talking about it. Can literally write a code, maybe make a good looking games. So I got curious since I want to learn coding. But if ChatGPT or AI will write a better code than me, there is no reason to learn coding. This video will be different than other videos you have watched probably. I didn't watch at all full video of how ChatGPT 5 is used for coding. So I have no idea about ChatGPT 5 skills. I have some software knowledge, yes, from my degree, but it is just basic. Okay, let's start. I started ChatGPT 5. I think first I need to buy Plus or Pro version of ChatGPT 5. Just the sake of it, because I believe that it will write better codes than free version, I think. So I use ChatGPT. I will make videos about ChatGPT. Why not I don't buy ChatGPT premium version? It is a shame. So okay, the payment was successful. I bought it. I had enough money to do it. Now I can start. Okay, the first thing I will write is, okay, ChatGPT, I want to build a game. Are you able to write codes? I will not even pick the game. I will ask ChatGPT to pick the game. I have no idea about coding or frameworks. What is your goal platform? It is asking to me. So I think I will ask for web version of a game. I think it will be way easier. It will be, I don't want it. Don't write the code, you are too fast. What game you are writing? I just started 2 minutes ago and it started scripting to me and it is quite long code actually. Look at this code. How many lines of code it is writing? I just dropped this complete single file web game called Skirt Dodger. Code AD. Click the run. It can run a code? ChatGPT run a code? What? In just 2 minutes it wrote code to me. This so stupid. But I will not check this game because maybe this game is written before. I didn't ask specific anything, so there's nothing special for this. Let's pick a game. I don't know, web games. I will check one game online. Blockshot. Hi ChatGPT, I wanna make a web game, simple, called Blockshot game. I picked the game. Now it needs to think by itself. It might make a mistake by doing the game, what kind of game it will be, because I will not give specific how it should be because I don't have idea about the game. Called Blockshot game. I couldn't explain it well, but it just understood like how clever it is. How clever it is. Can you realize it? Did you realize it? Have you ever realized it? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. My mate, you are perfect, mate. Write it. It didn't write the code yet. Before I came to office, I was thinking like I will probably spend 5 hours to do the game because I had no idea. Really, I had no idea how it will be. I thought I will spend 5 hours to make the game. It will not be as that simple. So I thought I need to search online. What should I do? But it seems I need to do nothing. It is just 10 minutes I spent. What? This is amazing. And what is the best is, like, imagine you wanna learn coding and you wanna write this kind of game. You don't need to look everywhere, go in details. I don't know. Like, look all the YouTube videos they have done about the game, how you should write, what you should do. But you can just check the code and try to understand it, and you will be good at it. You will be definitely good at it. This is not what I want. Maybe I can do, like, I can change the sizes. Size doesn't change. What is size is 4? Okay, I can spam small. Oh, cute. This made everything easier. I think things will be so easier. It will help us to try to fix bigger problems. What I want is now, since like you will not just write games and play with those, right? The point is here is to learning how to code, or at least how coding is working. So now I wanna ask it how you made it. If I wanna be the person who is writing this game, how should I do? Can you explain? If I want to write I don't want to paste anything, I want to write so I can understand. But like this is an index and this is a game, like functions. It like why you are giving to me? I literally didn't expect this video will be that short. Really, I just want to end with this video. I don't know what harm it can cause if it is misused, and who will benefit from this software mostly. Is it the company owners or the engineers or the white collar side? And how much energy does asking one question consume actually? Is it like, because this is based on data and it processes big of data, so maybe I'm spending too much energy to process one data. Can kids play safely on ChatGPT or any other AI? Please ask your questions. What kind of questions you have in your mind, because this is really exciting and scary at the same time.